was like, when am I ever gonna need rental insurance? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Well, what a great day to start Myrtle Beach Truck Week. The lower control arm ball joint snapped, and as you can see, it's snapped clean off. We're stuck on the side of the road waiting for somebody right now. It's pretty great. Not really though, but hopefully no one rear ends me, and I'll get with you as soon as the cop gets here.
I don't care. If it was my truck, I'd still cry. My truck's a piece of shit.
Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Hey, you about to get $200. Woo!
Well, this is Tommy, his friend, trying to make it to a truck show, but we got a truck to fix. It's kind of messed up, but we'll fix it. Poor truck. Sad, very sad day, very sad day. Bumper all fucked up. Well, guys, we're just coming up with a plan to figure out how to fix Ham's truck, cause it's pretty bad. But we're gonna try and figure it out. We're gonna figure something out. Even if Ham got to ride with me in the black piece, you know. But we're gonna figure something out, cause we got his truck show tonight at 6, and we got Caleb Quick coming down. So hopefully we can figure it out.
I was just gonna put all my shit in his truck and just call it tow truck.
And if we fix it, dog, there's a big storm coming in. It's thundering a little bit. We can't get in Alex's garage. Shout out to Alex for letting us bring it here. But I don't think it's gonna work, dog. A lot of work. We ain't got no tools, nothing.
Darn, I just waxed that fender, man. What's going on, guys? Right now we are in a fucked up situation, okay? So had to pay out of pocket $200 for the first tow here, and that's not cool, but suppose I'm getting reimbursed, so we're gonna see how that works. Don't worry, Myrtle Beach Truck Week is still a go, hopefully. Hopefully I'm literally on the insurance still right now, seeing if they want to tow it for a salvage and tow it to Copart, but I told them that's not the case. I can fix it myself. I just need a tow truck from here to Bamber, which is like 3.5 hours away. So that's the big confusion right here. So I'm still on the phone with them. Unfortunately, all the time that I spent trying to fix this paint up as best as possible, I can't even showcase it to y'all anymore because obviously this happened. But the bumper's all screwed, fender screwed, tire, somehow the tire didn't pop, I wrote it on out. Bent right here, tore all this off, dented this. I'm gonna need a new fender and a new door, like chipped that and this. But anyways, I'm trying to see if that is gonna be the case, and I'm just gonna tow it to my house, which I really need because I can fix myself. I just need I've literally been on the phone for an hour, so I can't like trailer it because the control arm is literally dragging the ground. I'm gonna need a tow, so pretty expensive day, unfortunately. This is gonna be a separate video. It's just gonna be my wreck, and then I'll actually have another Myrtle Beach Truck Week video, hopefully, for you guys. I gotta push out the content, baby. I mean, I can't leave y'all stranded, so good content for y'all. I mean, not for me. I mean, I might be able to show you how to put a ball joint on and how to check your ball joints properly. Always grease your ball joints. If you see the dang nipple, grease that thing. First-hand experience, I'm letting you know right now. It's not fun, and it's gonna cost you a good little bit. It's like, when am I ever gonna need rental insurance? Lo and behold, you do need it, folks.
Oh, you're good? Come on! Oh, we're taking this bitch. Oh. There goes the fender. Oh. I'm scared. Like this.
It's okay, man. It was worse than that before. No, come on.
It's just on it. Oh! Get the contract. Oh, you're good.
Horny man.
He's on.
How do you feel, my guy?
Yeah.
Take it. Oh!
Dude, you can easily fucking take that bitch from under the truck.
Fuck me sideways.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.